Match the terms of column 1 with the terms of column 2 and choose the correct option from the codes given. So first one, A. So it's a sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube, where x belongs to minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2. That is, x belongs to minus 1 by 2 to plus 1 by 2. So we know that for x lies between minus half and plus half, sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube is equal to, which is equal to 3 sine inverse x. So we can go with an option, that's the second option. And similarly, even third one also, option C also, cos inverse of 4x cube minus 3x for x lies between half and 1, so which is equal to 3 cos inverse x. So C1 we can go with 4, and tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, second bit, B, tan inverse 2 upon 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24. Since 2 upon 11 into 7 by 24 is less than 1, so we can use the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y for xy less than 1, which equals to tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus xy. So which equals to tan inverse of 2 upon 11 plus 7 upon 24 divided by 1 minus 2 upon 7, that is 2 by 11 into 7 by 24. On simplifying, we can write this as a tan inverse of, so this is 24 2s are 48 plus 77 upon 24 into 11. So 24 and 24, that is 264. 264 minus 14 divided by 24 into 11, and here divided by 24 into 11 gets cancelled. So which equals to tan inverse of, so this is 70 plus 40, 110, 110 plus 15, this is 125 divided by 264 minus, it's come like a 250. So we can say 125 2 times. So this is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 2. So let's check this, tan inverse of 1 by 2, that is third option. So we can go with B1 is 3. And fourth one, 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7. So which equals to, since we know 2 tan inverse x is equal to, for x lies between minus 1 to plus 1, tan inverse of 2x upon 1 plus x is 1 minus x square, for x lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So we can use this formula as tan inverse of 2 into 1 upon 2 divided by 1 minus 1 upon 4 plus tan inverse of 1 upon 7. So which equals to tan inverse of 1 divided by 4 minus 1, 3 by 4. So 4 will come to the numerators. So plus tan inverse of 1 upon 7. So which equals to tan inverse of 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. And again tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, we can use it since 4 upon 3 into 1 upon 7 is less than 1. So we can write this as the tan inverse of 4 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7 divided by 1 minus 4 upon 3 into 1 upon 7. So which equals to tan inverse of 28 plus 3, 31 divided by 21 here, and 7 3 is a 20, 21 minus 4, so 17. So we can tan inverse of 31 upon 17, it's the first option.